Unidentified flying objects are not made on this earth. Top secret Pentagon UFO task force reportedly expected to reveal some findings. Stay connected and subscribe my channel if you are new to the channel. According to the new reports from New York Times, the top secret Pentagon program has been conducting classified briefings for over a decade, analyzing various encounters between military craft and unidentified aerial vehicles. It was reported in late June that the United States Senate Marco Rubio had requested a detailed analysis of the task force findings. The report stated that the committee supports the efforts to the task force to collect standardized data regarding the unidentified aerial phenomenon as well as their links to foreign governments and potential threats. Astrophysicist and former consultant for the UFO program since 2007, Eric Davis told New York Times that he gave a classified briefing to the Defense Department agency as early as March regarding the off-world vehicles are not made on this earth. Over the years, the federal government has released a footage of military encounters with unidentified aerial phenomena. In April, the Pentagon declassified videos from 2004 and 2015 that showed saucer-looking objects. New York Times is reporting that the Pentagon's secretive UFO unit is going to make some of its findings in public. The media said that one consultant to the agency has briefed U.S. Defense Department officials of some highly unusual discoveries, including the items retrieved from off-world vehicles not made on this earth. Pentagon has claimed that it disbanded its UFO office. That department has in reality simply changed names and moved, and a U.S. Senate committee report suggests it will be expected to make some information to public in every 6 months. The main goal is not alien spaceships, but rather something much closer to home, to see if confounding sightings, including some by the military, are actually advanced technology from rival nations. UFO programs to offer new transparency to the public. According to their article of New York Times, the Unidentified Aerial Phenomenon Task Force was recently mentioned in a Senate committee report. The report said that the program would soon standardize the collection and reporting of unexplained aerial vehicle sightings. It also said that some of their findings would begin to be made available to the public on the rolling basis, that is once in every 6 months. This would be a drastic change from previous years, as the Pentagon denied the program's existence as recently as 2017, saying it has been disbanded in 2012. It no longer has to hide in the shadows, it will be having a new transparency. This has been reported by the Pentagon to the New York Times. It is extremely important that the information about the discovery of the physical materials or retrieved craft comes out. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please click on the notification button for the next video.